Hello, everyone. Welcome to Product Council today. Today we have Bangladeshi Software who are going to show us the work that they've done in enhancing portals for Mojaloop and integrating with DFSPs. And I believe they have some other interesting things to show us. So I'm just going to hand over directly to Shamim Reza, who I think is the Managing Director. And Shamim, I'll leave it to you. Shamim, you're on mute. You are still on mute if you're trying to talk. Shamim, can you hear me? You're on mute.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Extremely sorry.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. My name is Shamim, and I am CEO of Bangladeshi Software Limited. Thank you to the Mojaloop community for giving us opportunity to present our work today. Okay. The Mojaloop team has always support us, and we truly appreciate it. Especially thanks to Paul Making sir for this opportunity. And also to our mentors, Julie Geta, Sams, James Bush, Shoshikant, Nathan sir, and everyone else for their support and guidance. Thank you all for your help and encouragement. Let's begin the presentations. In September 2025, after Bangladesh Bank announced a Mojaloop-based IIPS, we joined the Mojaloop community. While many companies participate, we continue consistently build our expertise and successfully graduate. We created a product demo using Mojaloop API so that central bank DFSPS can easily use it. Our team is very small, but we always focus on delivering high quality work under my leadership with strong support from Nasim. Today we will show how transaction happen between Bank A and Bank B through the Mojaloop Hub. This is only a demo, not a full product. In the future, we can provide fully customized solutions with all features. Our demo has 4 parts. First, the Central Bank Hub live demo. Second, the DFSP onboarding process. Third, a transaction between Bank A and Bank B through the Mojaloop Hub. Fourth, our recently integrations. Mifos X with the Mojaloop Hub, which is now ready for the work stream and can be improved further. Through this step, we will show our work capability and future plans. Now this part will be present our team lead, Nasim.
Thank you, Mr. Shamim. So first of all, I need to share some slide. So there we include our portal features and DFSP portal features. So now I share my screen. Okay. So is this our project architecture? So that we are using. So now I switch in next slide. So here we displayed here in our hub portal features. So our hub portal features included participant management, real-time Kafka streaming, liquidity management, reconciliation, settlement, reports and history. And our DFSP portal includes the DFSP related information like liquidity dashboard, settlement history, finalized record, and others. So now I share, first of all, I share in these hub portal features in physically. So I navigate into this our hub portals. So is this our hub portals? So we already implementing externally. So is this our hub portal? So here we divided a few parts of the sections. So first part is monitor. So here we can monitor each DFSP's transactions, notifications, or others. So now I visit in transactions. So here available all DFSP's transactions that we record in our DFSP transactions in our hub portals. So automatically can store all transaction from here. So we are implementing Kafka consumer service to get the all informations. So now I navigate in these notifications. So we are stored in all event or notifications in our hub and DFSP communications. So is this we can implement in Kafka service through. Okay, now I navigate in these liquidity sections. So we make this page to show in all DFSP's liquidity. So like is this in DFSP a bank, and here showing more others DFSPs. So here we show these positions value, NDC, and settlement value or available. Okay, also we implement position change history. So we can track directly Kafka event through each DFSP's position change history and store them. Okay, now I switch in finance sections. So if I visit these reconciliations, then here showing all the reconciliation data or message of here status wise. So now I navigate in this settlement part. So I navigate this settlement window. So here by default open in this window ID 23, that settlement window ID are currently open. So this settlement window ID and reconciliations will be relatively can stream here. So first of all, when the day of end, we can open the settlement window ID. Then this window ID inside Mac transfer. So the transfer is by default status is pending. So when I settle this window ID or close this window ID, then the reconciliation is automatically resolved. Okay. So and also have a more on features here, settlement finalize. So we make the settlement finalize features like a window ID open a day of a start. Then these window ID inside many transfer exist. So when hub operator can decide to close this settlement window ID, then first of all he can finalize this settlement from a physical money move. Okay, so he can enter the settlement window ID, then the all DFSPs position value wise settlement account value directed into debit or credit. Then he can close this settlement window. Okay. Similarly, we can store these finalized records and also settlement history, and here showing all settlement cycle, the window ID visit. Okay. Now I navigate in this deposit history. So here showing all deposit history of the DFSPs, and we have a reports. So here we can generate any date range wise or direction wise records. So reports. Okay. In our hub portal, I have a more on features is the hub configuration part. So first of all, we can complete this step. So we have a two accounts type, hub reconciliation and a multi-layer settlement. So currently working this two type of account type. And is this our current settlement models? And is this our local config? So is this our hub portal features? So now I preview in this DFSP management part. So is this our all DFSPs? So if I need to create any DFSP, then I can create easily from here. Just I enter this DFSP ID, name, email, or callback URL. Okay. So now I click this specified DFSP to view these details. Okay. Okay, is this BBank DFSP's details page? So here we showing this DFSP's information, like like these DFSP's ledger accounts, position value and settlement value, and liquidity. And here we're showing this callback configuration. So here we see just one callback URL. So we just concat this callback URL into 17 format callback configuration. Just showing this callback URL just one, but behind the scene automatically can create this endpoint in for both format. And bottom showing this limit history of these DFSPs. So is this our hub portal features? So we also make our DFSP portal. So DFSP can verify here liquidity, positions, or others. So I log in into this BBank DFSPs. So each DFSP can access this DFSP portal. So we can show on only data. So here we can add adding this transactions part. So this DFSP can see here the transactions, and this DFSP can manage here all liquidity or others he can verify from here. So this BBank DFSP's current position is this, and this ledger account values this that we are showing here. And he can also verify positions, change history, and finalize records. Also settlement history, the window ID wise, and also deposit history. So is this our DFSP portal? So now I need to share our A-Bank and B-Bank portal, and I need to make a transfer. So is this our A-Bank portal? And is this our B-Bank portal? So this B-Bank portal connected into our this DFSP ID, and a bank portal connected into our this DFSP ID. Okay, so now my point is I need to transfer a bank to B bank. So we already have a merchant or parties. So now I copy this parties value and I navigate here this transfer. So this part we can work stream in transfer process. So before we start, I can navigate this and I can open these live log sections. So here, so now I start. So I choose the center merchant. So I choose this and payment type is by default P2P. I selected that here. So currently working here two type of payment type, P2P or instant. So I choose this P2P and I choose the ID type, receiver ID type, and I paste the ID type value. Then I click next. Okay, the step 1 is completed. So now I enter fee amount. Click next. The second step completed. Now I trigger in final step. Okay, the transfer is successfully completed. So now I need to share the transfer process. So I navigate in this live logs page. And here also I already navigated this. So first of all, when I enter the ID value and click next, then the pair side can trying to get the FSP ID. So is this params value, and hub can return this FSP ID. So the first part. Then again the pair side can call these parties verifications. So that was hub to transfer the request into pay side. So pay get this callback and pay put this callback into hub, and hub again forward this callback into pair side. So pair can receive this callback information. That was the step 1 is completed. So again pair side call the code request. So similarly the code request call into the hub, then hub again send this. So pay receive this callback. Then again the pay side transfer this put request into hub, then hub again forward this, and then pair receive this callback. And the last step again pair init the post transfer request, then hub ecosystem forward this request into pay side. So is this request. So again same process apply here and get the final response of pair side, this response. So that was the transfer process is fully completed. So thank you. Is this our minimal setup of DFSPs or hub portals or simulate into a bank or B bank transfer process? And I mentioned one thing, and so we are implement MIFO6 based switch in another company. So that is already working. So just I share this portal. So is this portal we provide this MIFO6 base switch. So that's already working. So thank you. Going to forward, Mr. Shamim.
Thank you so much for everyone for this time. So today we share you our 3 demos in 3 portal demos. So thank you for everyone looking our presentations. If you have any question for our DFSP portals, I go to the poll making, sir,
Thank you,
for next.
Shamim. Thank you.
Thank
That was a very interesting set of demos. So thank you for that. Can I clarify first which version of Mojaloop you're using?
Okay, I take this question. So we are using 17 versions of Mojaloop.
The version 17.0, is that right?
Yes,
Yep.
yes.
Okay, thank you for that. It's a relatively up-to-date one. We're actually on 17.2 at the moment, but 17 is reasonably recent, so that's good
Yes.
news. Does anyone else have any comments they'd like to post? Paul Baker, please.
Yes, I have a question. I really loved the fresh look, and I think the usability of it aligns very much with how I'd expect a new refreshed portals to look like. So I'm really happy with what I've seen. So my question is going to be, are you donating this, and when can I have a look at it? If the answer is yes.
Okay, we don't understand. Can you say again, please?
Okay.
Did you hear the question? I mean,
Sir, we did not understand for the question.
Okay.
We want
Uh,
to accept for again explain.
I can, apologies, I'll try and say that again. I really like what I see. So my question is, are you going to donate this to the Mojaloop community, open source? And if the answer is yes, when can I have a look at the repos? Yeah, because I really like what I see, and would like to try it out.
Thank you so much for this question. Yes, we can share for our portals in Mojaloop for previous practices and other research purpose. So we can do it, no problems.
Okay.
Okay, good. And when do you think you might be able to do that? Because I think you have stirred up some significant interest here.
Yes, after we need for 7 days and for talking for our poll making sirs and other team members is how to we share for our demos GitHub repository. I think we share it 7 days under share our repository.
Okay, well, that's very good news. We can certainly work with you to facilitate that. And we'll communicate with you probably over Slack to show you the processes. That's okay.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Does anyone else have any comments or questions? No, I don't think there are. I think we're all very pleased with your demonstration today. Shamim and Mohammed, that's been very valuable. There are no outstanding questions at the moment, but I think there'll be quite a few people who want to have a look through the demo in more detail. So I'll share this recording later today for anyone who wishes to review this later. You'll notice that there are quite a few AI note takers that joined. I imagine that the people behind that will want to have a look at it, and I know that the engineering teams will want to have a look at the repos once you have shared them. Follow-up questions, I think we can address them through the Product Council's Slack channel. Shamim, Mohammed, I think you're both on that Slack channel, so any questions can be placed there. And I'd like to thank you all. I think that's it from us today, unless
sir,
anyone
thank
else
you.
wants to say anything else.
Yeah, good work, Bangladesh Software
Yes,
team.
thank you.
all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoyable demo. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.